Hello, how y'all doing? Welcome to Diecast Flashback. And this time we've got a Corgi Mini Cooper, a Morse Mini Cooper. Now this one is number 249 in the lineup, and it's missing something. Well, it's missing a jewel headlight, but this car is actually missing the decals off the side of it. And what it was this. It's supposed to represent wicker. I guess some kind of beach goer, beach hotel mini. But since I already have one of these and many other minis and Austins and all of them, I'm going to do a custom on this one. And I was watching the Goodwood Revival a couple weeks ago, and they had a race of minis, and I saw a really cool green one with some striping and numbering on it. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. I'm going to turn this one into a racer, a racing car. Let's take a look at it. There's the bottom. Morse Mini Cooper. Take the bottom off. Let's see what kind of shape the tires are in. Oh, they're good. Nice and rubbery. Yeah, those will be reused. Now, Corgi made this version, this wicker, from 65 to 68. So that's pretty straight up. Interior's in good shape. Window, it's in great shape. Just needs a little bit of cleaning up, a little some sanding on it. Get that scuff marks out of it. That'd be pretty easy to do. And these headlights, and you can see right there, well, look, one of the jewels just came out of it. I think I have a few spares of those, but they've got these little plastic inserts in there, and you can see right there, I just need to push them out. Let's see, let's back up a little bit. I think I can probably push these out. Yeah, there's one. There's the other one. So they came out easily enough. They'll be reused. And there's the holes. The earlier versions, they didn't put jewel headlights. Well, this will be a fun one to do. Paint some stripes on it. The one I'm going to do, it's green with white roof, and it had a white stripe that ran over the front, and then it had a number 1 on it. And then and I think it had number 1s on the doors. I can't remember about the doors, but we'll see. I took a picture of it as I was watching the video. All right, well, let's see what I can do with this one. I invite you all to hang around to the end and see how it turns out. Let's get started. All right, let's take a look at my progress. Got all that cleaned up. Axles, wheels, tires, interior. Still got to work on that windscreen. Got the base painted. Looks good. Got all the casting lines off of that body. There was one there on the fender, and you see that little curve right there. That actually is part of the car, but there was a casting line above and below that, and I think I got it out pretty good. You can see that little curve. That's actually part of the car. So got all the little bumps and dings out of it. Looks pretty good. All right, time to prime it, and paint it green, and then I'll go back and paint the roof white. Alrighty, let's get her put together. Let's take a look at it. Turned out right nice. I'm happy with it. Pretty cool looking. All right. Start with the window. And the interior. I painted it black, as you can see. And the base. Let's see. There's the exhaust on the back, so. All right. Put some new screws in it. Nice, clean ones. In the front. All right. There we have it. It's a good roller. Get a close look at it. Looks just like the one I saw on the Goodwood Revival race they had the other day. Different number, but same striping. There's the base. All right, that turned out good. I'm happy with that. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about this customized Mini Cooper. Love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time with another diecast flashback. Now that's a flashback. Have a good one.